Hello, my name is Alice. I'm a chef and a content creator, and this is how I live.
I would describe my home style as eclectic, creative, and maybe like a little bit vintage. It's like a collection of lots of different things. Home means to me like where I feel safest, where I feel like I can be myself and just let go of the day. And I mean, home should be safety for everyone, so I'd say that's probably how I'd describe it. I came up with the idea of making the cheap and realistic recipes in my home, and one of the things that kind of held me back from posting for so long was that I felt like my home wasn't perfect, and we were renting a pretty simple place. It was pretty relaxed, and I kind of didn't think it was going to be good enough for social media because social media is so perfect. So I'm really proud of like overcoming that and sharing how we live, and it resonating with a lot of Kiwis. My favorite item is my cat. I mean, I don't know if that's an item in the house, but she is. And then other than my cat, it's probably the dining table, actually. This dining table is older than me, so it was our family dining table. I kind of developed my love of food, eating meals that my nana cooked and my dad cooked, and served on that table. The best seat?
Yeah.
It's that seat. This chair is from my mum and dad again. They didn't want it anymore, so I feel like a lot of people will relate to this, just collecting their parents' old unwanted furniture. Basically, Mimi doesn't let us sit on it. I haven't sat in that chair. The best DIY win was we restored a lot of furniture that we've bought over the last couple of years. We sanded them down and we spray painted them. By we, it was Ori, and I'm just including myself in this. Even this coffee table was covered in paint. We sanded that down. Orion built the table outside, which I love. I remember saying to him oh, I'd love to have a picnic table. I went away for maybe an hour or something, and I came back and he'd built me the table. I was like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. I don't like things looking like cookie cutter. I like things looking a bit different and quirky. The house is like a collection of things that we've done in the years and memories that we've made, and we just live it like normal people in a normal house, and I'm really proud of showcasing that online.